In today's video, I'll show you how to enable DLSS 4.5 in any game for higher FPS and a smoother gameplay. All you have to do is open up NVIDIA app. If you doesn't have the NVIDIA app installed in your PC, then check my video description for download link. And then go to drivers tab, select check for updates. As you can see, the new DLSS 4.5 super resolution. The version is 591.74, released Monday, January 5. Select the download option. After download done, select the install option. Say yes. Select custom installation. Select clean installation and select continue. After the installation done, select the restart now option and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, open the NVIDIA app and go to drivers. And as you can see, it has successfully installed and up to date. Go to graphics and go to global settings, DLS override model preset. Select use the 3D application setting, select latest and select apply option, and that's it. DLSS 4.5 is enabled and gives you higher FPS with better visuals. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.